How to use Kodi Beginner's Guide. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be telling you all you need to know about Kodi, which is a fintech platform that has simplified payment solutions in the new crypto world. So let's get into it. So if you're a beginner, if you have no clue about blockchain or any of that stuff, this is the perfect video for you because I have simplified everything down to a easy layman term language so you and I can better understand all of this stuff. So let's get into it. Now, Kodi is a new fintech platform that aims to create a simpler payment solution for the crypto world. Now, it is also based on a blockchain and a centralized versus decentralized platform. So this is a payment solution for both centralized and decentralized transactions. And what they actually talk about is how blockchain isn't the permanent solution yet. So there is a strong need for a payment system that is scalable as traditional payments while being cost effective and secure as a blockchain. Because currently, if we're looking to purchase or buy anything with crypto, it's a difficult platform. It's a difficult thing to do. But we need something that is as secure as something that would be based on the blockchain, but it should also be as cost effective and as easy and scalable as it is to pay in cash or to pay with your credit or debit card. So Kodi is basically a solution for that. It provides 7 necessary elements such as scalability. It can process over 100 TPS compared to the traditional 25,000 TPS in normal payment systems and the 20 TPS in common blockchain protocols, which basically means the transactions per second. They also have the simplicity. So if we take a look at the cost effectiveness of the Kodi platform, it cuts out intermediaries by eliminating the cost for costly mining, which drastically reduces the cost and energy consumption, making it a more cleaner solution. And it also has buyer-seller protections as well as price stability. It is creating a price stability technology which is necessary for the mass adaptation of any blockchain, coin, or platform. The Kodi technology also makes transactions, P2P payments, and remittance instant instead of taking hours or days to clear. And it also has security protocols which they have distributed in the form of a ledger technology that eliminates a single point of failure for enhanced security. So you can see there are quite a few benefits to the Kodi platform. Now, Kodi also has different things such as the Kodi technology, or the tech of Kodi, is actually based on a trust chain. At their infrastructure is the trust chain, which is basically a algorithm of machine learning which decreases transaction costs and increases processing speed by assigning a trust score to transactions and clustering it in different chains. So if we were to take a look at a visual element, they have this, which is their applications, which is their debit card, POS support, wallets, develop apps, and other stuff. Then they have their services like their interoperability, stability framework, buyer-seller protection, and then they have their base infrastructure like their nodes, DSP nodes, full nodes, and history nodes. Now, Kodi has quite a large platform, and you can buy and sell Kodi as a token as well. So like any fintech platform or like any tech platform, they also have their own crypto token, and the crypto token that they also have is named by the same name called Kodi. So that is what a lot of you guys might be interested in, and I will cover this in a minute. Before that, we were actually going to take a look at the Kodi Pay. So Kodi Pay is a payment method that enables you to pay for both any kind of platform, and it is basically digital banking in a very simple way. It has a very simple motto. The basic thing is to make payments as seamless and as effortless as possible. It has a lot of benefits such as prepaid virtual debts, loyalty points, quick and safe payments, buyer-seller protection, and the buying of crypto with credit cards. And as a seller, as a merchant, you will have instant settlements, high interest revenues on balances, access to financing options, zero FX fees, lower transaction costs, buyer-seller protection, white-labeled coins, and Kodi Pay plugins, and support for your banked and unbanked accounts. So if we take a look over here, you can simply download this for a technical pay overview or download Kodi Pay for a business overview to get started with Kodi Pay as well. And they also have a detail about their white label payment network, which allows you to save time in terms of fees and taxations with higher profitability and cash flows as well. And they also have remittance tech. So if we take a look at their remittance tech over here, it is a remittance solution for cross-border payments, which allows you to create less friction between your transactions. The benefits are going to be the instantaneous transactions, the cheap and easy market expansion, and easy and frictionless transactions across the globe. So that is a lot about Kodi itself. That is the platform. But what about the Kodi coin? What is the potential for the crypto token that they have created? Well, because Kodi is such a complex and such an interesting platform, they also have their own Kodi token. The Kodi token is also called Kodi. It is ranked 194 according to CoinMarketCap. Presently, it is present on over almost a 200K watch list, and the current price for the Kodi token is 0.08503. It is up by 0.02% since yesterday, and if we take a look at the market cap, it is settling around 89 million with a fully diluted market cap of 170 million and a volume of 16 million in the past 24 hours with a circulating supply of over 1 billion Kodi and a maximum supply of 2 billion. So if we take a look at the chart, the price of Kodi is volatile as it is for a lot of crypto tokens presently. It is nothing new. It is expected that the price is going to be volatile, but in general. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart of Kodi, so the Kodi coin, now you can see the price for Kodi has dropped recently. And if we take a look at the monthly chart of Kodi, you can see that it is one of the coins where a stable prediction is not available, because you can see it goes down, but it also has its price hikes depending on the news that is circulating about the coin, and then it also has a drop. And if we take a look at the 3-month data, the 3-month data for all coins or tokens is skewed because of the overall pump and dump that went on in the beginning of this year. But in terms of a yearly chart, Kodi has been going down, so it might be a good time to actually invest. And you might be thinking, hey, am I crazy to recommend to invest in a coin whose price is decreasing? Well, the reason for that is because Kodi is a platform that is enabling secure and efficient payments, that has developed their own Microsoft app, their own Apple app as well, and they are expanding their business in a more stable firm. They are creating a solution for payments that are secure, efficient, that are very similar to a blockchain payment, that are very similar to cryptocurrencies, but a more faster way and a more scalable way so more people can adapt to it. So that is why it is actually going to probably increase. So the reason that I recommend that you should invest in the Kodi token is because if you're looking for a long-term investment, if you're looking for a short-term investment or a medium-term investment, I do not recommend this coin. If you're able to hold your money for upwards of 6 months or so on and so forth, then you should definitely check out Kodi. But if you're looking for a short-term investment in a crypto token, an easy way to make money, Kodi token is not going to be a profitable solution for you. We have a couple of other videos on other tokens as well, and you might find those to be more of your sort if you're looking for a profit like that. So you might be wondering, that is a lot about the Kodi token. The current price is 0.087. You can probably invest in it right now. Even if you don't have a very large sum of money, you can probably invest pretty well. So how can you actually go on about to buy Kodi? Well, you can go on to any of your crypto wallets or crypto exchanges such as Binance. I have logged onto my Binance account over here, and what you're just going to do is you're going to click on buy crypto on your top left over here, click on credit/debit card over here. Once you do that, you can see this buying platform. Now you're going to change the receive, you're going to click on BTC, and then you're going to type in Kodi instead. Now I'm just going to select Kodi, and then you're just going to enter the amount of money that you want to spend, or you can choose how many Kodi you actually want and then receive the dollar equivalent and actually be able to see the dollar equivalent. Let's say I want $100 worth of Kodi. So you can see I will be receiving 1167.859 etc. Kodi, and then I can just click on continue and enter my card information to be able to purchase my Kodi. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.